Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are make this part with the help of this sketch, and also today's tutorial we learn how to make rib in Solidworks. Okay, maximum time of this exercise will be 10 minutes, and I also provide the image link in description box. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, select a plane, normal to, and draw a sketch. Firstly, we make this portion. Okay, so just click. Okay, now dimension 6 mm. This is 76, 17, and 5 mm. This is 6 mm. Okay, now this side 17, 5, and now height. Okay, six millimeter. Okay, okay. Now this portion, this is 24, and this also 8, and now height is total 24. Now go to feature and extrude it 38 mm, and okay. Now we have to make this portion, and we discussed already in this tutorial. We also learn how to make ribs and SolidWorks. Okay, so this is our front plane and the rib on back side. Okay, so take a plane on it, and plane and flip side, and this is 38 mm, and okay. Now go to rib toolbar. Asking a plane, select the plane and draw a sketch. Okay, firstly select this plane, normal to. Okay, and draw a line. Okay, now finish. So now you can see we have three options. This is our both side, and this is our first side, and this is our second side. Okay, we want rib on this side only. Okay, means first side. Click first side, and okay. So you can see this is our rib, but we mistake one thing. We have to change this dimension also. We have dimension 6 millimeter, then take 6 millimeter and okay. Now you can see we have mirror on one side. Okay, so we have to mirror it. Okay, then we have to take a plane on mid plane 38 also. Okay, 76 half 38. Okay, and okay. Now go to mirror and select a plane, features to be mirror, click on rib and okay. Now hide this plane. Okay, so you can see we mirror our rib on other side. Okay, now make these holes. Okay, and firstly we draw on this side, take extrude cut on rib and draw a circle. Now dimension it. It is 12 millimeter. Okay, and the center point is 16 and 14. Okay, 14 and this is 16. Now finish sketch and it's extrude cut to through all and okay. Now we have to draw both holes, one this side and one this side. Okay, let's make on this side first. Take extrude cut and draw a sketch. And now dimension it. This hole is 10 millimeter. The distance is 16 and the center is 12 millimeters. Okay, and now finish a sketch through wall and okay. Now we have to one hole this side. We have a plane also. Now show this plane and go to mirror feature, select the plane, feature to mirror, expand the tree and click on extrude cut hole and okay. Now again hide this mirror plane. Okay, so you can see our exercise is complete. Hope you understand rib feature also, and if you have any doubts then please comment, and thank you.